Hi, I'm Mel from Two Slippies, and today I'm going to show you how to create this really simple design that you can do in Illustrator, and it can be done with any text and it looks good as a wallpaper. So let's go! Okay, for this design, you don't even really need to use any tools at all you need is really nice colors to complement the design. So you just type any text that you want. So let's use the word "don't blink" that someone requested on TikTok. So if you want us to do any design, you can comment on our TikTok post any word and you see if we really like it, we will actually create a design of it. So we choose the font. I think we change the font to a more basic looking one like Gotham. Okay, I think we just use this basic font and make it bold and italic. So we place it at the top, make it italic, and then we duplicate. So the shortcut is you copy and Command D. After you're done the first round of duplication, it will follow. Select the text, lock the background first, select the text, group them together, and centralize. Now we select the center one and empty the fill. Just change the stroke color to the pink and thicken the stroke. Now we want to play a bit with the text in the middle, so we just duplicate and shift it. So there's a really subtle like duplication effect. Yeah, so we change it to orange and then we duplicate again, just changing the stroke so the fill will be empty, and we're just changing the stroke to the colors that we want to complement. So the important part of this design is to find colors that complement each other so that the entire design looks pretty awesome. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you like this video. Hit the like and subscribe button, and if you really like what we do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website and drop us an email, DM if you need help with any creative services such as social media, branding, any graphic design services. Also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time, bye!